Hello guys, today our video is about Wipro Garnet emergency bulbs. I got it from Flipkart. The two bulbs costed me around 690 rupees. Two bulbs costed me around 690 rupees. Nicely packed, and we'll see what are the features in the bulb. Like it has an inbuilt rechargeable battery which has 2200 mAh lithium ion battery. It has emergency mode and battery backup up to 4 hours, and the charging time for the bulb is 8 hours, and it has also overcharging protection to the battery, and it has a wide voltage range like from 100 to 264 wide voltage range for alternate current. Here we can see VAC stands for volt alternate current. Some people call it as emergency bulb, some call it as inverter bulb, and some call it as rechargeable bulb. And it has 1 year of manufactured warranty. Nothing inside the box, guys. Just only this thing. And this bulb can be on like this also. Like if you touch both plus and minus here, it gets on. And I'll give you an extra tip here. In emergency situation, one can carry this light everywhere they want, like whenever they want, to any place, and use it like by sticking coin or key. Like if you have a coin here, you can just place the coin and just blast it here, and you can use it. If you don't have coin, you can use it. You can use the key also. You can just place the key like this and sticker it for this, and it gets work. Let's install it for the holder and let's see it, guys. The installation process of this bulb is very easy, guys. Like you normally put the bulb in bulb holder, right? Just put it and turn on. That's it. Now just place bulb in the bulb holder. We'll just check how the bulb is working and just switch on it. Good. And now we'll just switch off the MCB. I'll just switch off the MCB. It got a flicker for a second, guys. You just look at the bulb. I'll just switch on the MCB again. It got flickering, and I'll just off the MCB again. Just check it once. And the light got dim when the power is gone. When the power is on, it was like working with the full efficiency. When the power is out, it gets dim. Now the power is on, and now the power is off. It got dim. Guys, we have to note a thing here. If the power is there or not, if the switch is on, then only the light will be on. If the switch is off, even though power is there, if power is not there, the light will be off. If the switch is on, then only the light will be on, whenever it is.
Here we discuss some pros and cons about the bulb. Coming to pros, the bulb will automatically on when the power cut occurred if the switch is on. In my usage, if it was charged for 8 hours, it gives around 3 hours of power backup. In frequent power cut areas, this bulb is very useful, friends. Coming to cons, the brightness reduces to 50% to increase the backup time when the power cut occurred. And the second one is we do not see charging indication on the bulb. And it charges only when the bulb is on. These are the cons, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.